Hello, everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. Well, today is my birthday, and I ordered a bunch of locks in anticipation of her birthday. And Sparrows was kind enough to release the disc detainer lock pick tool today, so I had to order one. I mean, that's just the way it goes. These are some Yale locks, but before I get into that, I want to show you. I ordered some brass rods for this to replace. This is that dirty old Ilco that got cleaned up. And earlier I said this Lockwood 334C45 was from Shua. It was from Paul Springett. Shua sent me a 334B45. Anyways, that one had 3 keys. So I took the extra one and I keyed this lock up to that. It works. You just got to pull on the jack a little bit to get it to pop. And this actuator can be shimmed clockwise, but not counterclockwise. If you try to shim it counterclockwise, it won't push this back. And you could probably get away with just one shim, because even though it engages over here, it's a toggle mechanism. It comes back like that, the locking pawl. So that's what we got there. So we got going on with that one. Now let's find out these Yales, these 3 Yales. One is an Ironsides, I think. I'm not sure. No, one is not an Ironsides. One is a Yale that has a dust cover. I've never had one of those, so let me get one with the dust cover on it. Get all these coronavirus papers out of here. Why don't you go? Well, I can tell that somebody has tried their hand at polishing. Because this is not a natural look for these locks here. There's the one with the dust cover. Yeah, they're not this shiny normally. Somebody has taken jeweler's rouge and a buffing wheel and polished them, but they'll be able. I mean, it's not too bad of a job. It's just a little too shiny. You know what I mean? But yeah, this is cool. They sold these for like use on vehicles and stuff like that, where there might be a little bit of a dust. And this one also has the little attachment for the chain. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the chain with it. And this is another little tiny little Yale. And here's another pretty big size one. What do we got here? We don't want millimeters right now, we want inches. Uh-oh, earthquake. We banged it. So you got a 2 3/4. They made these in 3-inch and I think 3 1/4 inch. Now the price for these go way up depending on the size of them. Like some of the small one, you can probably get for like $20 or so. The big ones, we start to talk like 30 or more if it's got a key, and astronomical if it's a huge one. You know, the price goes through the roof. What is this guy? I think he's like a little inch one. Yeah, about 1 inch. This guy's a little bit bigger, about 1.5 inches. Yeah, so there you go. 3 little Yales. And I'll probably be able to get into this one by picking. Possibly, maybe this one. They're so tiny, it's pretty hard to do that, to get a tensioner in there and pick it. And this guy, just like with all the other ones, I'm just going to have to try my luck on trying to get it open. There you go. Hope everyone enjoyed that. Thank you for watching, and happy picking, everyone.